Hi, welcome to my review of the APC Back UPS Pro 1000 battery backup for your electronic devices like computers, peripherals, internet modems, wireless routers, and external storage. Now, apart from providing battery backup when the mains voltage is out, this thing will also protect your electronic devices from surges and over voltage and also under voltage. So this one's also got AVR, which is automatic voltage regulation technology. Pretty neat, huh? And this thing is able to supply up to 600 watts, 1000 VA. Now, instead of showing you guys all four sides of this box, I will click some pictures of the box and link it down in the video description so you guys can take a look at it yourself. But just a quick look over here, it says that this UPS will last around 139 minutes if you use this on an all-in-one PC. So a mid-range desktop with 20 inches LCD monitor, it should last about 50 minutes, and 23 minutes on a high performance gaming PC like this one. And I've got a bigger screen here, so it should last about 15 to 20 minutes on my PC. And yes, you can plug in an external battery if you think the battery backup is not enough for you. Alright, so inside the box, of course, you get the main UPS unit, and then you get this installation and operating manual. By the way, this particular UPS model number is BR1000G IN, 1000 VA. You also get it in 1500 VA, so the features are exactly the same. IN stands for Indian version. Indian version and international versions are the same. Only the difference is the plug point and the power outlets at the back. So make sure you go through this user manual. It will give you different information, and you guys know that this thing has a LCD screen in the front. So here you have the different icons and their descriptions. So go through this, and you have some warranty and some safety information. Yeah, we don't need this. And then you have the cable which connects the UPS to the PC. It does look like a LAN cable, but no, it's not a LAN cable. This is a proprietary port by APC. This side goes into UPS, this side goes into the PC. And then you'll need to install this PowerShoot Personal Edition software. Download the latest version from APC's website. And you can program your UPS to shut your computer down in case of a power outage. And then you have a telephone line cable, which I don't know why they supply this. Alright, let's take a look at the unit itself. So over here on the front we have an LCD screen, and on the top we have a power button in between. You press this to turn this UPS on. There we go, and you can see the gorgeous LCD screen. And we have the function key or the status key, and we have the UPS beep disabler, and you can see UPS is going through a self-test. It's running on battery right now. So if I press and hold this, it will disable the UPS beep. And by the way, it says here, do not switch off the main power to the unit. Use the on and off button on the front panel to switch off the power to connected devices. So you should use this button to switch off the power, and never ever switch off the mains of the UPS. So this UPS should always be receiving mains utility power. Alright, we're taking a look at the back side of the UPS, and here you can see we have 4 battery backup outlets and 2 surge protection outlets. Now, if you have a laser printer, you should never ever plug in a laser printer in the battery backup outlets. Otherwise, your UPS is going to be overloaded when the laser printer is printing something. So a laser printer and all your other audio equipment should be plugged in into this surge only outlets, and you can plug in your routers, your external storage, your PC, and your monitor in these battery backup outlets. And here we have the PowerShoot port. So this APC proprietary cable goes in over here like this. So this goes in here, and this goes into your PC. And here we have the LAN ports, and these are just surge protection. So the cable which is coming from your router goes into the in port just like this, and then you can use another RJ45 cable and plug it in the outlet port, and then other side goes into your PC, and this will protect your computer from any surges coming through the LAN cable. And here we have an external battery pack port. You can buy an external battery backup pack from APC. So let's plug this thing in. I'll install the software and get back to you guys. Alright, so let me try and explain to you guys what information this LCD screen displays. So this is what you'll get when you turn the UPS on for the first time and plug it into the mains. So this top bar shows you the amount of load which is plugged in into the UPS, and the second bar, obviously this is the battery percentage. It is around 90% charged, and this is the current voltage which is coming into the UPS. This little icon over here shows me that. So you press this function key once and press it again, it'll show you the amount of battery backup time remaining on the current load. So if the load changes, this battery backup minutes will also change. So for example, if I turn the screen off, you guys will see that the battery backup time will increase. So if I'm just running the computer, this UPS should keep my computer on for 50 minutes. Alright, there we go, the screen is on and you can see the remaining time has also decreased. Press it again, it shows you how much watts this thing is outputting. So I have connected my monitor and the computer, both of them are drawing around 140 watts. Again, this will change if I turn the screen off once again. You can see the wattage drops. If I turn this back on, you can see it rises once again. And this is the percentage of load which is on the UPS. It is 24% under load, so a lot of capacity is free. I can plug in more equipment. And this is the output voltage of the UPS. It is not currently trimming down the voltage, so 250 volts completely safe, no problems. 50 Hertz, you can see it over there. And again, input voltage. Okay, so I fired up a video game, The Rise of the Tomb Raider, and you can see the UPS is now supplying 345 watts. It occasionally touches 350, like you can see. So my specifications here are a Core i7-3770, which is not overclocked, and I've got an NVIDIA GTX 772GB graphics card from MSI, and I think you can see that over there. But yeah, this PC is quite power hungry. As you can see, it's using around 350 watts. See how much battery. You can see the UPS is under 57% load. So yeah, this thing draws a lot of power. So let's see how much battery backup time we have remaining. So I can play this game for about 13 minutes on battery power. That's crazy. So let's turn this off. Now you can see it's running on battery power. 13 minutes of battery backup remaining. And yeah, the fan is quite noisy, but the fan only works when it's charging the battery and when it's on battery power. And you can see the battery is draining quite rapidly here. So yeah, that's 370 watts. Wow. So yeah, this thing draws a lot of power. Alright, let me quickly explain to you guys what the PowerShoot software does. So the current status over here shows you the battery charge level, status of your battery, and the input voltage, and the load on battery backup. 150 watts of power is being drawn by the equipment which is connected to the battery backup. Run a self-test. You can calculate your energy costs. Right now it's not showing anything because it's the first day of the UPS installation. So what I'm interested is in this runtime option. You can configure the PowerShoot to turn off the computer and the UPS in case of a power outage. Alright guys, that concludes the review of the APC Back UPS Pro 1000. And if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, any questions about this UPS, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. And stay tuned for my next video. I will do a battery backup test. We'll see how long this UPS can keep this computer and this TV running on batteries. So thank you guys for watching, and do stay tuned for more videos like these, and I'll see you guys next time.